Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and I make videos on beauty and lifestyle content, and in today's video I will be talking about a new planner. Now you guys have loved my planner videos always, and this is again where I'm bringing in a new planner for you, which is more on a professional side, which most of you are gonna love because it's very compact and it's so beautiful, has so many options in it. And you guys are gonna love this one because this one is very compact in size and something which everybody can use for different planning purposes. In case you're watching me for the first time, you know the drill. Go subscribe to my channel, like this video, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, I ordered this planner from Amazon as always, and this is how the planner came in. There was an outer packaging, paper envelope kind of packaging, which I've already opened because I had to see the planner to make this video, right? So this was the outer packaging, inside was the planner. So when you see the outer packaging, you already know that the planner is really very compact in size. Now coming to the packaging of the planner, this was how it came. There was this plastic packaging from outside, both the planner as well as the outer packaging, and inside there were two cards. I remember a thank you note from the brand, and then there is one more card spoken about the brand. So yeah, these are like the two cards that you get with the planner, and then comes the star product of the video, the planner. I'm so happy with this planner. I mean, just look at the color, guys. I'm so impressed. They have like so many colors, so many options, like everybody's color mood, they have it all there, from blacks to browns, blues, greens, pinks, lavender, lilac kind of a shade, then there's yellow. There are like all the possible colors that come to my mind right now. I'm so happy with this lavish, you know, this look of the planner feels so luxurious to me. For some reason I just love it. Then opening the planner, this is how the thickness of the planner is, and when I open the planner, this is how the planner looks like. I'll be giving a full flip through of the planner in the end of the video, but stay tuned for that. But before that, let's talk just about the planner. Now when I open the planner, I first see the book belongs to page and all the important contacts and details kind of a page here, and then we have two pages which are specifically designed for the vision board. Now vision board can be creatively decorated as per your choice. You could just write what your visions are, or you could just stick black and white pictures, or maybe you could use colorful pictures. Totally depends on you. You can use washi tapes and a lot of decorative stickers to decorate your vision board page. Then coming to the next page, we have like the monthly spreads all over, and I think there are a lot of pages given for the monthly sections. Now because this is an undated planner, they don't have any dates written inside, so you can customize your planner as per your choice. Now I like one thing about this planner, that all the monthly spreads are in the beginning pages only, so you don't have to go searching for your monthly spread for September or December in the end of the planner. It will all be in the beginning only. Coming closer to the monthly view section, on the top left corner I can see quote. Now there you can write any of the quote that will keep you motivated throughout the month. Down there you have the goals section, wherein you can write maybe your priorities for the month, or maybe your goals that you need to achieve for your month. Now in case you are a YouTuber, for example like me, then you might have a goal of reaching 10k subscribers in the month of February. So that is what you write in the month of February in your goals section. Coming down, things to do, here you can write all the priority based things in the month. In case you want to have a facial in that particular month, you will write it down there. In case you want to have a special haircut session or maybe a nail session, then you could just write it down there in the things to do section of your monthly view. And in the last section you have the health tracker. Maybe you have a checkup maybe for a month, so if you want to go and meet your dermat, you could write it down there. You could write down your parents doctor's visit also. So you know, this way the health tracker is going to be really useful for the monthly section. Then you have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday kind of boxes given in there. So there you will be planning your month obviously. So they have like the 5-week section, so you don't miss out on any day of your month, and you have still few days left in the monthly section, so in case you want to write little more, you will still have space. Then after the monthly spread, let's come to the weekly spread section. Here you have priorities on the top left corner, where you'll be writing the most priority of that particular week. Then coming to affirmations, obviously there might be some affirmation that you would like to repeat in the week. You could just write it down there in the affirmation section. Coming down, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Obviously the weekday section is a little broader. The weekday section is a little broader, so you have a lot of things to write. Next to that, you have a page wherein you have a full page for notes, but again there on the top left you have accomplished and grateful for. Now because you had like a priority section on your weekly spread, here you again have the accomplished section, because here you are going to be writing something that you accomplished in this particular week. So that is something that I really love and is really unique. Then you have a grateful for section. Again, you might have achieved your target of losing 1 kg weight or maybe half a kg weight, but again you will be really grateful for this, because you might have worked hard for this, because workout jana, gym jana, everything is gonna make you achieve that goal of yours. So you should be grateful about it, and you could write that there, because when you go through your planner in the end of the year, you'll be so happy to read it. Then you have your notes section, wherein you can write tons of notes. There is ample of space for the whole weekly section, where you could make your grocery list, maybe your plan for meals, everything can be written in this notes section. And in the last you have a habit tracker, wherein you can track your habits. So there are like these tons of pages where you can plan your week. Now after the weekly section pages are over, in the end I can see the income and expenses pages, wherein you have a date, item, inward, outward, balance. Then coming down you have previous balance, income, expenses, savings, forward. So basically you have like a whole account section in the back pages, and I like how it is behind, because your account section is always very secret, so it's in the behind pages. So even if anybody tries to go through your planner, they won't know you have this going on in the behind pages here. And after these few income and expense tracker pages get over, you have like a contact section, wherein you can write all the contact numbers related to your business, maybe, or maybe your anything which is really important right here, clients information or anything you could write there, like with your email IDs and everything. Then you have a password log. So here you have the website, username, password. So there you could write your important passwords for your websites which you don't want to forget maybe. I know it's not really safe writing it here, but at least for those websites which are your work related websites. And then down you have a date log wherein you can write the birthdays and anniversary. How sweet. We usually forget these days of our loved ones, and I think writing it down here will really help us to remember all these important dates. Next we have is a passion tracker. Now what's a passion tracker, right? Passion tracker is basically in case you're going to a music class, because you love learning music, you could write down that there, because then you won't miss your classes and you'll know which day you attended your class and which day you did not. YouTube is my passion, so I might make my YouTube passion tracker there, because then I'll know a track of when I uploaded a video and when I missed uploading a video. These are like the two pages. Then you have a notes section where again you have like a few blank pages in the end of the planner, and the very last page of your planner is the year in review. It's such an important page because tell me about it, the whole year we juggle so much, we hustle so much, and coming back, and when it's the last day of the year, you just want to come and relax and get your mind emptied. Now one particular thing that I want to talk to you about the specific planner. One thing which is greatest of all is that it's very compact. I can just hold it. I am really thin, you guys know this, and if I can hold something in this hand, it's really very compact. You can see that even if it's compact, it's very luxurious looking. I love how they have provided 2 ribbons. You can see there are 2 ribbons given, so you know, one could be in your monthly section, one could be in your weekly section, which will really help you. Again, they are color coded, one is pink and one is orange, so it's easier for you to know which is the monthly section and which is your weekly section. Now coming again back to the planner, the pages are really very thick, so they won't bleed that easily. So that is what I loved about this planner, because the quality really matters. It's very sturdy and good quality, so it won't tear off pages when you use it a lot. It's easy to carry when you're traveling, like it's so lightweight and so compact. It will fit any of your handbags, your college going bag, your workspace bag, any bag can fit this tiny thing, you know. And one thing that I love is they have so many colors, so it will suit every mood. And because it's undated planner, you can use it anytime, like start in the month of February, end it somewhere, then again start in between. So you know, this is something that I love, because even if you fail to use your planner in between any of the months because of anything, like anything possible can happen, right? You might fall sick, or you might have your wedding or anything. That is the time when you don't use your planner. So maybe if you skip 1 month also, you won't have that anxiety of not using your planner. So that is one more thing. And it's like a no nonsense planner. Now I'll tell you why it's a no nonsense planner. If you are somebody who doesn't like too much floralness, so too much color in your planner, if you are someone who is very professional and don't want anything that distracts you when you're working, then this is the best planner possible, because there is no nonsense in this planner. It is supposed to be a planner where I am more professional and more focused towards my goals and not with these artistic distractions. Also, I have one more thing to tell you, that in case you're interested in purchasing this planner, I'll leave the website on the screen and in the description box. And also I have a code for you where you'll be getting a 5% discount. So the code is Rhea, R-H-E-A, which also, in case you don't want to purchase it from the website or use my code, you can simply go to Amazon and order the planner. I'll leave that link also in the description. Also, the price of the planner is $5.99 on Amazon. So in case you purchase it from their website, you will get a discount, so the price might reduce. And now let's see the flip through of the planner. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you loved watching this video. I have brought to you a planner which is so good. I really love it, and I am planning to use this for 2023. So this is like the huge reveal that this planner is going to be my partner for the year 2023. I'll be using this planner, and I'll keep making videos on how I'm using it to plan my schedule, my YouTube schedule specifically. And yeah, with that I come to the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.